This is Anvil. This is the one that you don't really like that much, but I thought I'd show it to you anyway. Here's the kicker, the basement. It's got a little office, laundry, a little half bath, the shower, a little office, and then this room with the mirrors is actually a playroom. It goes back around here. There's a closet over here. So, I mean, technically we could knock these walls out right here if we wanted to, I guess. Fish tank. Upstairs, the master bedroom it's big, but it's a little dysfunctional, I guess. The across from the bed is the closet, so you can't put the TV there. But you could put the bed right here, I guess, going this way. Put the TV right there on the wall or something. There's 2 more bedrooms. And that's it. $179. Needs maybe a little updating, so for the right price maybe.